Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to download and save WhatsApp voice messages to your Android phone. If you received an important voice note that you need to keep, this is super easy. Let's jump in. All right, first thing, open WhatsApp on your Android phone and find the chat with the voice message you want to save. It could be from a friend, group chat, or even a voice note you sent yourself. Now, locate the voice message you want to download. Once you find it, tap and hold on the voice message until it's selected. You'll see a check mark appear next to it. Okay, now tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This opens a menu with several options. Here's the thing, tap on Share from the menu. WhatsApp will show you different apps and options for sharing the voice message. Look for Save to Files or Files in the sharing menu. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the options or tap More to find it. Tap on Save to Files or your File Manager app. This could be Google Files or whatever file app you use. Choose where you want to save it on your phone, and it will automatically be downloaded and saved. Or you can create a new folder or just save it in downloads. Then tap Save. And that's it. Your WhatsApp voice message is now downloaded and saved to your phone storage. You can find it anytime in your Files app. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.